Hi, my name is Urina Nunu, and I really enjoyed advanced eClinical training. I thought it was super great how it was an asynchronous course so each person can work on their own speed, and they offered so many great resources like simulations, assignments, and discussions. I really enjoyed the What stood out to me was the fact that there were so many variations of assignments like simulations, interactive quizzes, and discussions. I also really enjoyed the infographics about the clinical topics. I thought they were all great resources to understand the information better. I think that the interactive quizzes, infographics, and clinical challenges really impacted my learning by allowing me to apply what I've learned and make decisions in real world scenarios. This definitely honed my knowledge in everything we've learned so far in the healthcare setting. Even though the program was online, I definitely felt supported by the ACT community. I felt like they responded quickly to emails, they responded quickly to my discussion posts, and they offered guidance in any way possible, even through resume and interview tips. I would let them know that the ACT program is a very flexible program, and if you're someone who is very busy and have different schedules than other people, then ACT is a great program because it allows you to do the material at your own pace